Good morning, everybody. This is the Physics Midterm Exam Review Worksheet for Grade 7 at the International School of Innovation. Let's start with question number 1. You have to convert the following. 2000 gram equal how much in kilogram? 643 kilogram equal how much in ton? 3500 milliliter equal how much in liter? 5 meter cube equal how much in centimeter cube? So let's start with the first one. Isa. 2000 gram equal how much in kilogram?
2.
Equal to, it's divided by 1000, so it will be 2. Moving to lean. 643 kilogram equal how much in ton?
643 divided by 1000 equals 0.643.
Okay, excellent. 0.643 because it's divided by 1000. Lean, it's okay. Moving to Tala. 3500 milliliter equal how much in?
It's divided by 1000, it becomes 3.5 liters.
Excellent, 3.5 liters. Moving to Ala, 5 meter cube equal how much in centimeter cube?
5 times 10 to the power 6.
Okay, times 1 million, so it will be 5. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 5 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, thank you. Moving to question number 2. The experiment below is done to study the properties of shape and volume of liquids. We place 30 milliliter of water in container A. This container is called the graduated cylinder, while this is called the graduated beaker. Then we transfer the water to a container B. The volume of water in container B is also 30 milliliter. So, does water have the same shape in the two containers? Yes, Linda? No. What can you conclude?
Water takes the shape of its container.
Water, these are the liquids, water or liquids, they take the shape of their containers. Shape of their containers. Thank you, Linda. Moving to Abbas. For 2. When we transferred water from A to B, the volume didn't change. What can you conclude? The water volume didn't change. What can you conclude?
The liquid's volume
Yes.
remains the same.
Okay, the liquid's volume remains the same. This is the first point. The liquid's volume remains the same. Okay, what can you conclude about this?
We conclude that liquids have definite volume.
Excellent. Liquids have definite volume. The volume doesn't change when we move them from one beaker to another. Express the volume of water in SI unit. The volume is 30 milliliter. So, Muhammad Ali, the volume of water in SI unit is 30 milliliter, right?
Yes.
Converted to SI unit. What is the SI unit of volume?
Liter.
Meter cube. So we have to divide or multiply.
Divide by 1 million.
Okay, so it will be
0.0003.
0.00.
4 zeros.
Yes. Okay, that says 0.00003 divided by 1 million. So it will be 0.000 4 zeros and 3. You have to put unit. Don't forget to put the units. Because if you forget to put units, half of the mark will be eliminated. You have to put the unit. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Muhammad. Moving to question number 3, Mr. Ali. Given a cubic box having a side of 3 centimeters, it has the shape of a cube. So, calculate its volume. What is the volume of a cube?
3 equal A times A times A.
Okay, volume equal A times A times A, or side times side times side. The same equals side to the power 3 equal 3 to the power 3 equal 27. 27 what?
Cube.
27 what?
Centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube. Don't forget the unit. Centimeter cube. Okay, moving to lower. When we put this box on a balance, it reads 200 grams. What does this value indicate? Lower. What does this value indicate? 200 grams. This value. It indicates what?
The mass.
Indicate the mass. Express this value in SI unit. Also lower. Can you express it in SI unit? What is the SI unit of the mass? Kilogram. So we have to convert from gram to kilogram. So it will be
27 divided by 10 to the power 6.
a kilo. Mass 200 gram. We have to convert it into kilogram. So we have to
200 divided by
1.
1000.
So it will be
0.2 kilograms.
0.2 kilogram. Let's move to question number 1. We still have a part which is express the volume in SI unit. Let's move to Ali. 27 centimeter cube. SI unit of volume, Ali, is
Divided by 1 million.
1 million. So but SI unit of volume is meter.
Meter cube.
Okay, so it will be how much? Divide by 1 million.
0.4027.
Yes.
4
zeros.
27.
27. What? Meter cube. Don't forget the unit. Okay, thank you, Ali. Thank you, Lawa. Moving to question number part 3. Calculate the density in SI unit and convert it to gram per centimeter cube. Okay, Joel, first of all, you have to say the property or the rule of density. Density is equal to rho equal mass over volume. We have the mass.
0.2.
Yes, kilograms over volume.
0.00007.
What? Meter cube. So equal rho equal how much?
7407.407.
7407.407
Yes.
kilogram
Per meter cube.
kilogram per meter cube. We have to convert this one into gram per centimeter cube. What shall we do, Mr. Muhammad Hassan? Kilogram per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube.
Divide by 1000.
Okay, so it will be what?
7.407.
7.407. We have also 407 gram per centimeter cube. We moved the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it will be here. Okay? Thank you, Muhammad. Question number 4. Given a rectangular prism of the following dimensions, we have the height h equal 4 centimeter. We have the width equal 6 centimeter. We have the length equal 10 centimeter. Calculate its volume, express its volume in SI unit. Let's start with Muhammad again. Muhammad, calculate the volume. Volume of a rectangle.
Rectangle equal height h times w.
Length times width times height. So it will be 4 centimeter times 6 240 centimeter cube. Convert it into SI unit. SI unit is what? Meter cube. So we have to 0.224 meter cube. Okay? Divided by 10 to the power 6. The first move, it removed the 0. Then we have 5 digits after the decimal point. Let's move now to Isa. Isa, when we put this prism on a balance, it reads 400 gram. What does this value indicate? 400 gram, what does this value represent? Mass, volume, density? It represents the mass. It represents the mass. Express this value in SI unit. What is the SI unit of mass? Yes, Isa. What is the SI unit of mass? Gram, kilogram, ton. It's kilogram. So we have to divide this by 1000. So it will be 0.4 kilograms. Calculate its density. Yes, Lean. Density. First of all, you have to put the rule. Density is equal.
Mass over volume.
Okay.
Equals 0.4 kilograms.
Yes.
0.00.
0.00.
024 meter cube.
How many zeros?
3 zeros before.
24. Okay. What unit?
Equal
Meter cube. So it's equal to
1666.667.
okay. Unit Don't forget the unit.
Kilogram per meter cube.
Okay, in this part, the question doesn't say in which unit. You have to put the density. So you put it as you wish, kilogram per meter cube or gram per centimeter cube. But whether I said an SI unit, so it should be kilogram per meter cube. Pay attention to this. Question number 5. A cylinder filled with oil has the following dimensions. Diameter, it's equal to 100 centimeter. Height, it's equal to 200 centimeter. Here I give you a hint, Linda. Radius, it's equal to diameter over 2. In the exam, I won't give you this. You have to know that the diameter is equal to 2 radius, and radius equal diameter over 2. Calculate the radius of the base of the cylinder. Yes, Tala. Radius is equal to what? Radius, you have to put the word completely. Radius. You don't have to put R. Radius equal R, this is okay. But not put R. Equal what?
Diameter over 2.
Okay, equal diameter over 2. Diameter is 100 centimeter over 2. So radius, it's equal to 50 centimeter. This is the radius. Calculate the volume. Yeah, Tal. Continue. Calculate the volume.
Volume equals.
Volume of the cylinder, right?
Yes.
What is the volume of the cylinder? First, you have to write the property. Volume of cylinder is equal to
Pi times r squared.
pi times r squared times. Okay, it's equal to pi. Take it 3.14 always. Times r squared.
50 squared.
50 squared.
Times
Height.
200.
Times 200. So the volume of the cylinder is equal to how much?
1,570,000.
No, not 1 million.
570,000.
What is the volume? Can you calculate it? 3.14 times 50 squared times 200. So it will be 157. 157. 0.0000 centimeter cube. Okay? So, for example, in this question I gave you diameter and the height in the same unit. If I want it to be more tricky, I'm going to give you diameter 100 centimeter. For example, height, I'm going to convert centimeter, for example, into meter. You have to concentrate on this. For example, I may give you 2 different units in the same exercise. You have to pay attention. You have to convert them to same unit. Okay? Moving to part number 3. Express the obtained volume in SI unit. The volume was in centimeter cube allowed. We have to convert it into meter cube, which is the SI unit. So we have to divide or multiply. By how much? Okay, so it will be what?
1,570.
1,570. First of all, told me how much the volume was. It was 157. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay? Centimeter cube. Okay? Right? This is the volume calculated in centimeter cube. Pay attention to this, please. We have to divide by how much? 10 to the power 6, right? 10 to the power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These moves remove the 0. Then we reach here. So the point will be here. So it will be 1.57 meter cube. This is right or not?
Yes.
You know how to move it? Move the decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1.57. Okay, thank you a lot. Express the obtained volume in liters. Abbas, meter cube, I have to convert it into liters. What shall I do? From meter cube to liters. First, you have to write this. Meter cube, decimeter cube, centimeter cube. Okay? This is the same as the liter. This is the same as milliliter. From here to here times 10 to the power 3 times 10 to the power 3. Right, Abbas? Reverse direction, divide by 10 to the power 3, divide by 10 to the power 3. So we have to move from meter cube, for example, to decimeter cube, which is the liter. Meter cube to decimeter cube. Okay, so it will be what? 1.57 times 1000. So it will be what?
1,570.
1570 unit
Liter.
liter. They say in liter, so it will be liter. Don't forget the unit. Okay? This is done. Thank you.